Welcome to the Manufacturing Evolution, AI, Ops, and the Future of Work. I'm Brad, and today we're tackling a pressing topic, bridging the skills gap in modern manufacturing. Across New Jersey, Philadelphia, and the Delaware Valley, and its small and mid-sized plants nationwide, retirements, product complexity, and new tech are colliding. My goal is simple: a clear, people-first playbook you can start using this quarter to build a safer, faster, more resilient operation. Why is the skills gap urgent now? Three forces. First, seasoned experts are retiring faster than we can replace their know-how. Second, products and compliance requirements are more complex, raising the bar for quality and traceability. Third, AI, sensors, and automation are changing day-to-day tasks. The work isn't disappearing, it's shifting. Without a plan, we risk longer changeovers, higher scrap, safety incidents, and missed customer deliveries. So what does future-ready skills actually mean? Start with the basics, being comfortable with digital tools. That includes logging into systems, entering data correctly, and understanding simple dashboards or charts. Next, build a basic understanding of modern equipment like sensors, cobots, and connected tools, just what they do, not how to program them. Then focus on soft skills like problem solving, communication, and teamwork, because those are just as important on the floor. And don't forget safety, knowing risks, using proper protective gear, and understanding when to escalate issues. The best part, these skills aren't tied to just one role. They carry across teams, departments, and even different companies. Use a people process technology mindset. People define roles, skills, and coaching. Process, tighten standard work, visual aids, and changeover routines. Technology, pick tools that solve a known problem, not the shiniest demo. Sequence matters. If you bolt tech onto a broken process with untrained people, you magnify waste. When people are prepared and processes are stable, even simple tech creates outsized gains. Start by mapping what you have. Build a simple skills inventory, one page per role, listing core tasks, machines, and digital basics. Then create a color-coded skills matrix. Green means can teach, yellow can perform, red needs training, and post it on the shop floor. The matrix clarifies coverage for vacations and call-outs, reveals training gaps, and helps supervisors plan who shadows whom and when. Tie training to real pain. Look at bottlenecks, quality escapes, changeover delays, and downtime causes. If changeovers drag, run cross-training on setup roles and refresh standard work with photos. If quality drifts, teach basic control charts and gauge care. In the next 90 days, add job instruction coaching, schedule vendor-led refreshers on critical equipment, and capture one improvement per shift to reinforce learning. Make learning stick with blended methods. Use short micro-learning for concepts, then on-the-job coaching to practice. Train the trainer turns lead operators into mentors. Pair digital or visual work instructions with QR codes at the machine. Offer bilingual materials, ideally English and Spanish, and schedule sessions across shifts. Recognize progress with visible badges and clear pay steps tied to mastered skill blocks. It motivates and retains. Keep AI and automation approachable. Start with cobots for repetitive handling, camera-based inspections for consistent features, and connected torque tools to mistake-proof assembly. Operators need to load programs, verify camera results, and respond to alerts, not write code. Pick pilots with small scope, frontline involvement, clear success metrics, and strong supervisor support. Always lead with safety, risk assessments, cobot speed limits, and lockout-tagout refreshers. Track the things that actually matter so your training sticks. Keep an eye on key numbers like quality, waste, downtime, safety, and how quickly new team members get up to speed. Share these results regularly with your team, like in daily check-ins. To make improvements last, update your processes and SOPs clearly, and use simple visuals where people need them most. Also, make sure your team understands the basics of working with digital tools, like entering data correctly, using simple tracking methods, handling systems like ERP or MES, and following basic cybersecurity practices. Don't try to do everything on your own. Work with local partners like training organizations, colleges, equipment providers, and workforce groups who can support your team's development. Look into available funding and training programs that can help cover costs and speed things up. Create clear career paths so employees can grow, from operator to technician or team lead, with skills tied to pay and future roles. Also, plan ahead for retirement so you're not caught off guard. Make sure your supervisors are ready to lead. They should be running daily check-ins, giving feedback, and helping teams stick to the right processes. Avoid common mistakes like jumping on new tech too quickly, doing one-time training, skipping supervisor involvement, or making things too complicated. Instead, follow a simple plan. Assess where you are, test small changes, scale what works, set goals every quarter, review progress monthly, and celebrate wins along the way. Ready to take the next step? Contact E3 Business Consultants today to start building a stronger, future-ready operation. That's it for today. We covered why the skills gap is urgent, the core skills to build, how to start with a transparent matrix, link training to real problems, run safe pilots, measure ROI, and leverage partners and funding. Keep it people first, process-driven, and practical. I'm Brad. Thanks for listening. Stay safe and keep improving.